Afternoon YouTube on the dome, but at the moment luckily mainly dry. Sunday afternoon. I'm just off now heading down towards Cheddar Reservoir. My plan is at the moment to park up, go for a walk around the reservoir. It's just over a 2-mile walk and hopefully get the drone up. But as per usual, nothing's going right, and I'm now having problems with me sat nav. Keeps on saying the power supply is disconnected. So I don't know what's going on there. I've had this once before. Keeps on going off and on. Let's see what happens now. First stop, fuel. And everything's worked correctly on my cameras today through the remote. But I charged both cameras up before I came out. And with the 10, to play on the safe side with the problems I've been having, I took her out the media mod, took the battery out and replaced it to reset everything, and that seems to have done the job. So I might have to remember to do that every time from now on when I go out. Both cameras came on when they should do, and both came on recorded at exactly the same time, which makes life a lot easier for syncing up. Hopefully the weather's going to be dry when I get to the reservoir to get the drone up, and it's not going to be too windy. There is a bit of a breeze today compared to what there has been recently, but nothing much. But it could be completely different out there to what it is here. Oh dear. Put the cheaper stuff in today. I'll put the quality stuff in last time. E10 this time. This one runs reasonably well on it. I think she does definitely run better on the 5 or the premium stuff, but at the price of it, nah. Out for me normal Sunday afternoon ride, which for my situation at the moment, unfortunately this is all I can do. Couple hours in the afternoon, can't really do any longer than that, and it's decided to rain. There's the odd shower about, and I happen to get one just as I come out, and I'm heading towards it as well. Sod's law, innit? Now I'm putting my waterproofs on. I don't think it's going to be much. I forecast the chance of the odd shower, as long as it's dry where I'm going. Don't know why the sat nav's doing that. That'll get me weekly riding. Hopefully I got the angle for the 8 a bit better this time. It was just a touch too high last time for what I wanted. Wild West South Rally in September is all paid for. I've paid for my pitch for the weekend. So that's Elan Valley with the Motor Evers, and now the Wild West Rally. The 2 that I did last year, I'm doing them both again this year. And that's probably going to be my holidays for the year, my time away camping. Bloody sat nav. Well, I can do what it wants here as long as it's dry where I'm going, but looking at it from here, it's not looking very good in the direction I'm heading in. But it's in the form of showers, so hopefully by the time I get there that would have blown through. Don't normally do motorways unless it's a necessity, but I'm going to just for today. But I won't be using it coming back. At last, there isn't no speed cameras, not no more. Used to be for roadworks, but there ain't any anymore. Alright, that's the little short 6-mile motorway blip out the way. Remember, it's 40 along here now. A lot of them ignore it. Looks like that rain come down quite heavy here briefly. Well, it still is. It's not heavy, but it's still coming down. Well, if I can't do what I wanted to do today out here, I'm going to have to come back out another day. $10. Ollie's Cafe. Give you a wipe. Probably going to come back via Wedmore. But take the shorter route, not the long one. Not looking good the way the cars have got their wipers on here. Fortunately, just recently, this seems to be the name of the game when I come out on my Sunday ride. It rains. Ain't gonna be a lot. In fact, there's blue sky where I'm heading, looking at it from here. Which is what I like to see. Don't know why this ain't bloody working. My phone case is the ideal place to put my camera remote up for the moment until I can find some other way. The strap isn't long enough to go around my arm. I've tried it. So if and when I get my GS, it might be a different proposition. Probably be able to put it on the handlebars on that. Go to Axbridge to get to where I'm going. I think I'll go through the village. It's going to be easier. Redone my pin lock last night, and at the moment it looks as if what I did has worked. I'm getting no steaming up on it at all in the areas where I was before. Go away, rain. A Harley rider nodded. What's it coming to? This is starting to look a bit iffy weather-wise. Might still risk it going in if it's not raining too heavy and have me walk and hope that I get a break in it for 5 minutes so I can get the drone up. But a lot of low cloud about at the moment and light rain, and that'd be enough to stop me putting the drone up, unfortunately, and that was the main reason I come out here. Coming into Cross, and I'm turning right for the A371 Wells. I think I've only ever come into Axbridge once this way. I nearly normally come in the other way on my way back home. There's a car park up there with toilets. I think I should have went up there, but never mind. I think I'm going to go in the Cheddar first. Let this, hopefully this might have blown over a bit then. Wasn't the plan, but here's the entrance to the reservoir. Yeah, I'm going to have to go in the Cheddar first and use the facilities. So I might see if I can find the other car park, the other side. Because if it's anything like last time I come out here, that one's going to be busy. I can always come back here if I can't find it. Because I need to get me sat-nav to work for that, really. And it's decided to do the dirty on me. But at the moment, one of the main reasons I come out here, I'm not going to be able to do because of the weather. Hopefully this might give it a chance to blow over a bit. At the moment, me drone's a definite no-no, but it might improve. I'm still going to go in there and go for the walk. If I can get the sat-nav to work, I'm going to see if I can find that other car park. Everything's all connected properly now, but is the sat-nav going to stay on? I'm going to try and find the other car park to start with, just to see what it's like. I can always head back to the other one if I don't like what I see. Yeah, it's on the road to Wedmore. I thought it was, but not the one I thought it was though.
Turn left, then turn right. Turn right, then you have reached your destination.
Well, I've got to look for Middlemore Lane now. More or less I have.
You have reached your destination.
Just got to look for Middlemore Lane. This is it. Not such a big car park by the looks of things, but there's a play area here. Being in my bike, I should be able to hopefully find somewhere to park.